right, everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So I didn't really do that much today, and when I say I didn't do that much, I mean really only did one thing today, and that was basically mount these fire alarm devices. So mounted and cut out, well, basically I started out by cutting out these, I think it was 9 or 10 ceiling tiles. So I went ahead and marked all those out, cut out those squares. So I got all the ceiling tiles cut, and then I went ahead and prefabbed like 9 or 10 again of the spreader bars with the boxes, the clips, the screws, the mud rings, the knockouts, the bushings. So I got all those done. Also did hang 2 more or mount 2 more of the chime strobes this morning, which is not on video, but those are just going to be, once again, the red devices on the walls. So I got all 9 or 10 of these ceiling tiles mounted with the boxes, and then I went ahead and mounted 3 of the smoke trims at the end of the day. That's how far I got. So anyways, pretty successful day in my mind. Happy I got a bunch of those done. Knocking out the fire alarm in this inner waiting area. This tile I had to cut down because it's like half of a tile-ish. So they shaved the edge of that, so I had to cut that one down to fit properly. And then yesterday, still with the smoke detector in this room I did yesterday, and the strobe on the wall. Alright, so here's my car, here's the damage. The main impact is right here. Snapped, my headlight was zip tied together, but it snapped that cover back off, and that got lost in the wind. And then here, some impact, a little dent right there. And then, that's mainly it on this side. I don't know if my tire hit her car, but the wheels are kind of wobbly. So that needs to get checked out. A huge alignment because the steering wheel is like 20 degrees off. Not sure if the headlights bent at all or any internal damage. You can see right here, this is lifted up. And then on the other side, she pushed me into a curb, which hit the tire right there and then ground down, curbed the wheel right there. So pretty surprising for 40 miles an hour to 0 real quick. And I did actually pass the accident site, so I'll throw that video probably in too of where exactly that was and the skids if you want to see that, so stay tuned. Anyways, that's the damage, and thankful it's not much worse. Come in contact with the curb. That's my skids. There's me hitting the curb a little bit. Alright, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it, as always. Stay safe out there. Keep your distance while you're driving. Watch out for crazy people. They'll lie about anything for no reason, just to make themselves feel better. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a like and subscribe if you did. I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. And check out my last video, which was the security camera video. Not sponsored, but just totally fun and a really cool thing that I installed on my house. So check that one out. I'd appreciate it. Love you guys. See ya. Have a great weekend. Peace.